Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing this makeup look right here with makeup I got for Christmas. I'm gonna be using a couple of things that I got for Christmas from my family and my friends, or that I got myself. I hope you guys had great holidays and a great Christmas, and of course Happy New Year, because this is my first video of 2018. And I hope you guys have an amazing year, and you had an amazing year in 2017, and if not, let's make this new year count. I know I'm gonna start like thinking more about myself and focusing on myself and my goals and what I want to accomplish, and I'm gonna start accomplishing my dreams. I know I'm gonna stop being scared of a lot of things and just jump at them and try my best to make it count and to make it to be successful and actually do what I want to do as a living and as a person, and all the dreams I want to accomplish. Before you guys start watching the video, don't forget to subscribe on the bottom down below. I did use some techniques from Daisy Marquez. Watch the video so you see if I like them or not, and if they worked for me. Well, I wish you guys so many blessings, and don't stop. Don't give up. If you guys have hopes and dreams and like aspirations, inspirations, I don't know how you say that word, never give up. I've learned the hard way, and I've always kind of stopped myself from doing what I love, or like, I guess I'm my own bully. I put myself down and stuff, and in 2017 I started to work on that, and in 2018 I'm definitely gonna work on that even more and not let myself push me down and stuff. Instead, I'm gonna push myself up. Anyways, that's enough for the intro, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by priming our eyes with a little bit of concealer, and I'm just using the NYX HD concealer, photogenic concealer. Just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on each eye. And I just saw Daisy Marquez's video on not setting your eyes with translucent powder, and since today I'm going to be using like really colorful, vibrant colors, I'm gonna try it out and see if it works for me. Because I remember when I started doing makeup, I wouldn't set my eyes either. Like, I would just use the base, and I don't remember if I liked it or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions, and one of my friends gave me this for Christmas, and I was obsessed with it because I love colors and stuff, and it has so many vibrant colors, so girl is excited. So I'm going to start off with the Morphe E22 brush, and I'm going to go in with this yellow color right here. Just going to go in like all over. I'm going to start off right here. Since I am trying the not setting, like the way Daisy Marquez did it without setting her eyelid with translucent, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing she did and just press it into the skin first to pack in the color, and then start blending it out. This color is so beautiful. I literally barely tapped into the pan, and it's just so vibrant and pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this orangey color right here, right under it, that yellow, more towards the crease part. I'm just gonna use the same brush. I am so amazed by this palette. Like, as soon as my friend gave it to me, I swatched it like right away on my eyes. Well, not on my eyes. I swatched it like finger swatches on my hand, and I noticed it was like super pigmented, and I couldn't wait to like use it. And then under that one, I think I'm gonna go in with, what is it, like a pinky purple? This color right here. Looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller brush so I can get it like really close to there, because I think that's the one I'm gonna go in on the lid with. I think I'm gonna go in with this little blending brush. Wow, that is gorgeous. I don't know if it's the palette or Daisy Marquez technique or the both of them combined, because this is looking beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and use this larger brush just to grab a little bit of that orange and go over it so we don't lose that color. And then grabbing a little bit of that yellow, going all the way in the top so we don't lose that color either. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger and grab that same pink shade and start packing it on the eyelid. Okay, you guys, and that is it for the eyeshadow. I am obsessed. Oh my god. Okay, so just gonna get a little bite of my dulce. I had family that went to Mexico, and they brought back those what are they called? They're like little tamales, but inside of them it has like tamarindo, and it's so freaking good. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. The other eye off camera, and lashes, mascara, then and my face, and then I'll come back. I'm gonna be using the Cocoa Lashes Queen Bee lashes. They look like this, and I've never worn them, so I'm excited. Wow, these are gorgeous! I see why Katie loves them, or should I say at Katie. Okay, so I got this bad bitch for Christmas too. Fenty Beauty's A Trophy Wife. My sister got it for me. and I have used it before. I am in love with it. If you guys have me on Instagram, you know that I've been posting pictures where I have it on and it literally looks like freaking gold on your face. And it's just bomb. It's so bomb. There's like, I don't think I own, actually I know I don't own anything this color or that looks this bomb. Like it is, like I hope you guys can see it on camera, but look, like come on. Like yes, it's glittery, but I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. Like it looks stunning. It looks so beautiful. And you literally, like, I'm gonna show you guys just twice, okay? And look how much it gives. Like it's just the other day my sister said I had a glittery mustache, and I was like, I do, and I love it. Like I knew it was gonna be bomb. Like I knew it as soon as I saw videos of it and stuff. I knew it was gonna be like the bomb.com. But like when I actually freaking swiped it on my face, I was like, yes, Lord, yes, give it to me. Like I want it all over me, please. Like I don't have collarbones, or else I would probably put it on. But I don't have any, so you know. But wherever I can, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm gonna go in with that yellow color first. The whole not setting it with translucent powder on the top really did work better, because I feel like I've had to put more yellow right here on the bottom where it is set with translucent powder than I had to put on top. Then with a smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with the orangey shade. This is a little e.l.f. flat brush by e.l.f. I already said that, but you know, whatever. Como sea. I'm using a little pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with that pinky shade closest to the lower lash line. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in, what is it? Milk. And the waterline. Just to make it pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. This has been my obsession for inner corner highlight. It is just the bomb.com. I mean, technically I got this for Christmas too. I gave it to myself. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick. Just gonna let that dry a little bit, and when it's done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my baby. I got the 3 lip set, the one that, well, yeah, it's the 3 lip set from ColourPop and I Love Sarai. I think this is their 3rd collab. They come up with the 3 first ones, which was Mamacita, Curvy, and 951. and then arriba, and then these last ones, which are atole, coquette, and softy. And I got all three of them. I got all three of the lip sets, and I am obsessed. I already wore all three of them, actually. I wore Coquette for Christmas. I opened it early because I wanted to wear it for Christmas. And Coquette on my birthday. And this lip gloss, I've been wearing it for the past like days that I've been wearing like my soft glams or something. And I am obsessed with this Atole lip gloss. Like, it looks so beautiful. It just gives you a really nice, like, I think this and the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter go really good together because they both have that gold reflect, and I'm just obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add this on top. I love all the lip sets ColourPop and I Love Sarahi have done together, so don't sleep on them. Really, like, you should get them as soon as you can because I don't know if they're gonna be there forever. So yeah, so this is officially the finished look. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video today and learned something cool, I guess I could say. I hadn't done colorful looks in forever and I really enjoy them. I know, like, in YouTube I've noticed that you get like more views and stuff if you do natural looks, but I really enjoy doing colorful looks. So I'm gonna keep trying at it, and of course I'm gonna be doing a little bit of both. But yeah, don't forget to give your girl a like, a comment if you like the video, and you guys can go and follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave that all down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a Happy New Year, and let's make this year count. Bye, you guys.